Okay, pin replacement on a Lindsay window. We have 3 different styles of pins we use. This balance we'll use like a straight-ended pin. The older style balance, or shoe they call it, we'll use the flanged end pin. And the constant force balance, we'll use the big pin. Okay, let's check this window here. To tell the difference, we just open the window a little ways, tilt it in, always remember 4 or 5 inches. And you can see this one has a new style shoe. So that would be the round-ended pin. We just pop this window out, turn it up perfectly level with the floor, pull one end up, and it'll just snap out of there. And the pins are really easy to replace. They're just 2 little screws. Just pull that one out if it's bent. Put the new one in. And you'll see they all have a little line on them. And the little line will show you where the edge of the sash should be, so they're really easy to line up. And you just put the little screws back in. And then put it back in the window. Start one end first. Get your other one started just about half and half in each one, and then push this one down level. So your window's nice and level. Wiggle it a few times. Snap it back in. That's pin replacement on that style of window. On the other style with the integrated tilt latches, that'll have a little different pin that always runs the block and tackle balance, which is this pin. And you always open it 5-6 inches before you tilt it in, and that's the same way. You have to twist it to pull it out. And then the pin will replace the same way. The 2 little screws, slide that one out, slide this one in. It'll have the line on it, which should match up with the edge of the sash. And then just snap it right back in. Always make sure when you put it back in that you get it nice and level before you tilt it back in. A little wiggle so it's in the cams. Snap it back in. And that would be how you replace the pins on that style window.